A new controversy has now erupted in Maharashtra over food choices. Few municipal corporations in Maharashtra has banned slaughterhouses and sale of meat on 15th of August, that is Independence Day. This was first initiated by the Kalyan Dombivli Municipal Corporation, which is on the outskirts of Mumbai in the MMR region, where it said that on 15th of August, there will be a ban on slaughterhouses and the sale of meat. Now, this was quickly followed by a few other municipal corporations like Nagpur, Amravati, Malegaon, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. Few other municipal corporations also were quick to follow this, and now what they say is that this is not a new rule that has been implemented in the state. This has been there for a long time. In fact, the Kalyan Dombivli Municipal Corporation's commissioner said that this rule is there since 1988. Now, this is the same argument that even the BJP has supported, and the BJP has said that this is not the rule that has been implemented by the Mahayuti government, but this has been there for a long time. However, the Mahayuti government's ally, which is the NCP Ajit Pawar, Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar has not really supported this ban. He said to the media that he will look into this matter, but he said that banning meat on Independence Day is not appropriate, because such bans are normally done during any festival such as Ashadi Ekadashi or Mahavir Jayanti. But on 15th of August, banning meat or there is a ban on slaughterhouses is not right, is what Ajit Pawar said, and he said that he will look into this. But on this issue now, the opposition has slammed the government, and they said that this is an attack on their right to food. This is an attack on their fundamental right. At the print, what we believe is that whichever government has imposed this ban, be it in 1990, be it in 1988, or even otherwise, successive governments have followed this, and this is not really right, because on Independence Day at least, people should have the right to what they want to eat and what they want to buy. So this is definitely an attack on their fundamental right.